Alright guys, so it's all done. Let's shut down here. Oh dear Lord, that's hot. But look at this. So avocado bacon bomb. This is, so many people have asked for these, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it. Check it out. So this one we did with turkey, and come on up here, try to get as close as we can, show what's in here. Good crispy bacon. Look at that.
Oh Lord.
Look at that. All right, so I'm the lucky one that gets to dive into this. So I'm gonna cut that again because it's just a little too hot. I want to burn my face off. I'm gonna make this bite count. This bite's gonna count. We're gonna get all the goodies in there. Oh my gosh. It's so hot. So check it out. Oh, this is so hot. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. All that creamy cheese, all that turkey in there with this bacon and avocado. So let's give her a shot. Oh my God. I love the turkey so much more. That is so creamy. It's so good. So good. Look at that. And it feels like I ate a lava rock that came right out of the belly of Earth. And it's now simmering in my stomach. But hey, it was worth it. It is so good. But y'all gotta come in and get some of these, and they are on the menu right now for today. So yeah, y'all come in here and check these out. We'll see you today.